Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset the Brave browser settings back to default. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Brave browser and select the hamburger menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel, you want to scroll down and select where it says Reset Settings. Select Restore Settings to Original Defaults. And so this will reset some Brave settings and shortcuts, disable extensions, and then delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. Select Reset Settings, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.